So as you can see, it's coming down the street there. When I first unload my truck, right there. Then I drive backwards, turn to the right into the street, and then reversing into that shit. Whew. Okay, what's up people? I'm on my way to one of the hardest construction sites we have actually at the moment. It's like you have a street and you have parked cars on the left and on the right, and you have like 3 or 4 centimeters left to the cars, and you have to drive very slow and have to be very carefully. And when I enter the street, I have to go for it like 300 or 400 meters. Then I have to turn my truck, reverse into the construction site, and then I have to unload. And hopefully there are not a lot of wrong parked cars. It's like in the middle of Bochum in Germany, so I will hopefully take some nice shots for you, and I will cut out the boring parts and just show you the full experience of a truck driver who drives into middle of the cities. Whoops. Just a few hundred meters left. My mirrors are so dirty that I can see nothing. I should have cleaned them before, I guess, but yeah, it's fine. It's like in this street, but I can't enter it right here. My truck doesn't fit into that. The supplier knows that I'm coming, so hopefully he gets something prepared. Bro, what? That's a crazy color. That's a crazy color. Okay, let's let the show begin. Actually, it's pretty good. There are not so big cars parking here right now. Then I hopefully can turn right there, but this BMW is not in a good position there. Okay, let's say see me coming. Oh, I'm not sure if I can go to the right. That's so rough. Okay, I have to turn and go reversing like that, but I'm not sure if I can go into like that. Okay, I will switch the camera positions for you. So as you can see, it's coming down the street there. When I first unload my truck, right there. Then I drive backwards, turn to the right into the street, and then reversing into that shit. Whew. Okay, let's get out of this hell. Oh, please, no car. This is so close, holy shit. So I only can go to the right. Oh, he's flashlighting me. Perfect. Thanks. Yeah, so that's it. I guess it takes like 20 minutes to get shit done. And now let's go for the next one. Okay. So if you enjoyed the content, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more. Thanks for watching.